Hey, do you run a garage or business and you require consistent leads and appointments, but you are not able to get consistent leads and appointments for your garage or business? Is that right? And you are still relying on Google Maps, and Google Map is continuously deleting your maps, and you have done SEO, you are doing Google ads, you are burning a lot of budget, but there is no consistent leads and appointments for your garage or business. Let me tell you this. In easy words, if you are spending $100 a day, $100 a day on Google Ads, and you get one lead, okay, you can get three leads out of 100 leads via Facebook ads. Yes, I know like people don't understand and they think that on Facebook we get trash. Yes, we do get trash sometimes, but you make money. On Facebook, you don't lose anything because when we advertise on Facebook, we have a cheaper price per lead. And guess what? The conversion rate is higher and the customer is also high ticket. So if you want to increase your ROI in next 30 days of your garage or business, you can click the button below and we can hop on a quick call and we can show you that how does it work. If it sounds good to you, you can get started. If no, you can drop. We don't spam you, we don't force you to work with us. We will show you the simple strategy how it works. See you on the other side. Thank you.